Learn how to use the adding machine. Amaze your friends, families, and coworkers, and even your boss by using a proper fingering on the adding machine. First, you position your hand in the middle and your middle finger on number 5. And sometimes number 5 has a little dot right in the middle, so you can go right back in. So, typing in 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. You can also do 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 by moving your finger down, but your middle finger remains in the center on number 5 and position at the same place. Now we can start on the top number 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. We'll start 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 9. You can use the plus sign for adding the number, or sometimes that will be an enter key in your computer. Now you have learned how to use an adding machine. Hope you will learn and keep on practicing. 5 minutes a day, that's all it takes. Use your summer and let your friends and family be amazed. You'll be typing as fast as you can with confidence.